Poinsettias really do make a beautiful plant to decorate with for Christmas because of the show that they put on. Now this red bloom that you see here is actually triggered by short days, or actually more specifically a long night, which happens naturally at the fall equinox, September 21st. Now this triggers the plant to go ahead and start initiating a bloom, and so left on its own it would naturally flower at about Christmas time. However, because people want to enjoy these during the entire month of December, what growers do to back this up a little bit is to cover them with black cloth, something that will shut out all of the light that you might have around, so that they'll initiate the bloom a few weeks earlier so that you can enjoy them for a longer time. Now if you had a poinsettia in your home and you're wanting to reflower it, you would need to put it in a dark place for at least 12 hours each night from the middle of September on, so that you'll get that red bloom for Christmas. Now we talk about poinsettias and we talk about their red bloom, but actually the part that is the showiest is not a flower bloom, but a bract. You'll notice here that these look very much like the leaves, and bracts are basically modified leaves. Now the top bracts here go ahead and turn color, and the actual flower on the poinsettia is very inconspicuous. If you look down here in the center, you'll see these small buds here, and those are actually the flower of the poinsettia. You can see this one is just starting to show a little bit of color. Now when this goes ahead and opens up and blooms, you'll barely even notice that it's blooming. And in fact, the thing that tips you off that it is blooming is that you'll start to see small yellow grains of pollen. Now this is a good thing to remember if you're picking out a poinsettia as a gift or for yourself, not to pick one that has a lot of the yellow pollen showing, because that means that our poinsettia is a little bit over the hill. So look for one where these small buds in the center are still tightly closed, but you have nice color on your bracts.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.